Hello everyone, we're here now at Trim Station, which is located at the corner of Trim Road and the Regional Road 174, or the highway, or the Queensway, or however you want to call it. And the park and ride is this in front of me over here. We'll take a look at that in a second. That's existing. And then the station's going to be in the median of the highway here. Okay, so here's the intersection. So as you can see, the current traffic pattern is the highway crosses from here to here. Trim Road comes from here and passes through down to Jeanne d'Arc and Petrie Island. The train will be coming down the median of the highway here. So between the westbound and the eastbound lanes. So obviously the lanes and all that might have to be reconfigured a little bit to provide a little more room. Train will pass through here. Approximately, from what I've seen, it seems like it's gonna stretch out into this little region here, and it might come out a little more out to here. So I think that's why the intersection is gonna get reconfigured as well, just for that reason. The station will be here. There'll be a pedestrian bridge that will rise up, cross over, and then connect to the main bus station building over here. With an exit, there'll be parking, so that this whole section right here is going to be reconfigured. Now, from what I've seen, there's actually a sign just over here indicating that Hydro Ottawa over the next 2 months is going to be reconfiguring these hydro poles. It says that there's going to be 6 hydro poles here that are going to be reconfigured, relocated to allow for stage 2 LRT construction to take place. Now, I believe that means then that the station will actually, the exit and entrance of the station will cross the highway with the pedestrian bridge and terminate somewhere in this area over here. I don't think that it's going to encroach into the existing parking. So from what I gather, it seems like it's going to be pretty much where these hydro poles are right now. And that's pretty much it for now. Other than that, you can see that they're working on the poles. Obviously, they're going to have to reconfigure the path of the existing hydro corridor. But beyond that, there isn't really much that's happened here right now. So the current layout is the Queensway going straight across Trim Road. It's a level at grade intersection. And the O train station is actually going to be found right in the median where the current intersection is. So here's a preliminary look at what it's going to look like. Obviously, the intersection to get onto Trim Road from the Queensway is going to be moved even further east. And it's going to wrap around from there to rejoin the section of the road that goes north and south. But otherwise, creating room for the station and for the tracks, which are going to be at grade in the median of the highway. And if we look farther up Trim Road, you can see the existing bus stops down there. All the parking. This is one of the largest park and ride facilities in the city of Ottawa and for OC Transpo. And another view of the hydro corridor. So the poles that are going to be moved, relocated, readjusted to allow for the construction to take place. Again, I believe the station entrance and exit is going to be located about here. There'll be a pedestrian bridge that will rise up, cross over into the median where the train platforms and the train station itself will be.